In this video I'm going to show how I made this bookbinding press. I started with a sheet of 18mm thick plywood. I wanted to use something that was quite strong and solid and able to withstand a fair bit of pressure. The board was already 60cm wide, so I cut it down to 40cm long. I made it basically big enough to be able to bind a full-size A4 book. I set up a metal clamp as a guide and used the circular saw to cut the wood down to size. I repeated this and ended up with two identical pieces. I'm going to be releasing another video in a couple of days to show how to make your own book using this bookbinding press. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. I clamped the wood all together and sanded it down to make all the edges and tops smooth. I left it clamped together and marked a point 1 cm in from each corner. This ensures that all the holes will line up perfectly. I did this at each corner. I used a 2mm drill bit to drill pilot holes on each corner. This will stop the plywood from splitting. Then I swapped it out for a 6mm bit, the same size as the bolts I had. I took 4 long bolts and also used wing nuts to make it easier to tighten. I used some long bolts here so I could do thick books later. For a full written guide and list of items and materials used, check my Instructables or website. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.